Your eyes are doing more than you think. From morning screens to late night scrolling, they're working overtime. But here's the question. Are you giving them the care they deserve? Let's talk real eye care. Smart habits that make a difference. First up, prevention. The 20-20-20 rule, every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It's a quick reset for tired eyes. Clean your eyelids daily to keep things fresh and functioning. Add spinach, salmon, and carrots to your meals. Your eyes will thank you. Got kids? Limit screen time, pick safe toys, and start eye exams by age 3. In your 20s to 40s, think blue light filters and proper lighting. Seniors, watch for vision changes and get those regular checkups. And don't forget eyewear. A good fit, UV protection, and anti-glare lenses, that's not optional. That's essential. Your eyes power your day. Take care of them now, and they'll keep showing up for you later. Clear vision starts with smart choices.